Little back and forth comparison between a few of my ukuleles. I've got them, all three of these strung with Aquilla B blacks, Oli, very nice, beautiful Oli, with against my Kayla ASAC, all solid satin acacia, and my Koaloha Opio satin acacia. All those are strung with Aquilla B blacks. Thought it'd be a good time to compare them. I actually think, well, of course, the Oli beats the other two out. Even with these, Aquilla B blacks, it's just no real contest as far as, the best sound to me is just that Oli. It just sounds a whole lot better. To be honest, I think the Kayla sounds better with the Aquilla B blacks than my Koaloha Opio. I don't know. Comparing them side by side, and I mean, I've this has been the favorite string that I've tried on my Opio so far. But trying these side by side, my Kayla, I think the tone, this is louder than my Kayla just a little bit. The Oli is louder than the Koaloha Opio. But playing them side by side like this makes me want to try a different string on my Opio. But I think I found the perfect string on my Kayla. Absolutely love these on that Kayla. I mean, it's just so. The Kayla, and I'm getting some squeak today. My hands are kind of dry and I think that's one thing leading to it. I tried to condition them a little bit, but it hadn't helped much. I don't think I conditioned them after I washed them. Run the springs. There's a pretty good difference in the Oldie and the Kayla. I'm not sure how much will come across that in the recording, but the playing experience. There's a good bit more going on in the Oldie, which this is a lot, higher price range instrument also. So it should have more going on than a $350 Kayla. As amazing as this Oldie sounds with these Aquilla Big Blacks, I want to try some Oasis warms on. I don't know. Probably just my stupidity. They might even be worse. And I just want to switch back to these Aquilla Big Blacks. The Aquilla Big Blacks are absolutely stunning on it. Really love these. But like I said, I want to try those Oasis warms. The owner has never tried Oasis warms on this oak either, and I just want to see what they're like. That also, I don't know exactly what is the strings and exactly what is the oak in this one. And so, changing the strings always, gives me a clue of what was the strings and what's the oak. And I don't think you can say that the Kayla, sounds bad at all. Like I said, I like its tone and sound better than I do this my Opio with the Big Blacks. Well, like I said, this is I haven't exactly found a string that I just absolutely adored on the Kayla, but I absolutely love these Aquilla Big Blacks, and I did love them on my Opio, but the Kayla handles the Aquilla Big Blacks so much better that I think I'm going to change them on my Opio now. See where that goes. But anyways, that was a little comparison of the three of them, and hopefully you got a little something out of it. If you can, buy the Oldie, right? If you can only afford the Kayla, I think you still get an amazing oak. Appreciate you watching.